Put your all excuses aside and remember this: you are capable. Zig Ziglar. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss an idiom, shape up or ship out. What does it mean, shape up or ship out? And in what situation you can use this idiom, shape up or ship out? Let's get into the lesson. Shape up or ship out means to either improve behavior, performance or attitude, or else be forced to leave a job, relationship, living situation, etc. If you tell someone to shape up or ship out, you are telling them that they should improve their behavior or performance or else leave. It means if they can't change their behavior or improve their behavior, they should leave the job. One might use the phrase when talking to a friend or family member who needs a wake-up call or to a child who is misbehaving. In some circumstances, a manager might use the phrase to remind an employee that their behavior is not appropriate and they should make an immediate change. We can use this idiom when a child refuses to do their homework. If a parent tells them to shape up or ship out, they might be alluding to the child losing privileges or something else that should inspire them into action. When a manager uses this idiom in regard to an employee, they are likely threatening them with termination if they don't do the work they are supposed to do. The purpose of using this idiom is to get someone moving who is being lazy or irresponsible. So far, we have learned the meaning of the idiom shape up or ship out. It means to either improve behavior, performance or attitude, or else be forced to leave a job, relationship, living situation, etc. Now we are going to use the idiom shape up or ship out into a sentence. Look at this sentence carefully. Jerry was late again, so the boss told him to shape up or ship out. They warned Jerry for being late to work or something. In spite of their warning, Jerry came late again. So the boss told him to shape up or ship out. It means Jerry need to change his behavior or else he should leave the job. Number 2, after the workers were told to shape up or ship out, they did not change anything and were all fired. The workers were told to shape up or ship out, but they did not change anything in their attitude or in their performance. So, they were all fired from work. They were all terminated from work. And the last example, after a serious mistake, the manager warned him that he had to shape up or ship out. He had committed a serious mistake. After a serious mistake, the company manager warned him that he had to shape up or ship out. He had to change his behavior. He had to improve his performance or else he should leave the job. So far in this video, we have discussed the meaning and usage of shape up or ship out. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.